In a fervent call for a lasting and just peace in Ukraine, French President Emmanuel Macron has emphasized that any resolution to the ongoing conflict must not entail Ukraine capitulating to Russian demands. Speaking at the Summit on Peace in Ukraine held in Switzerland, Macron stressed the need for broader international involvement in the peace process despite the notable absence of Moscow from the talks. All of us are committed to building a sustainable peace, Macron declared. Such a peace cannot be Ukrainian capitulation. There is one aggressor and one victim. He underscored that any peace agreement must restore Ukraine's sovereignty and adhere to international law. The summit took place amid escalating hostilities, with Russian forces reportedly making significant gains on the battlefield against Ukrainian troops. Russian President Vladimir Putin recently claimed that Ukraine was losing upwards of 50,000 troops monthly, though he did not specify Russia's own casualties. Western leaders, including Macron, have remained resolute in their stance against a Russian victory, pledging continued military and economic support to Ukraine. Macron, a vocal advocate for increased NATO involvement, has proposed a coalition of countries to provide military training to Ukrainian forces and has not ruled out the potential deployment of NATO military personnel in the future. The summit's backdrop is marked by allegations from Russian officials that Western leaders thwarted a potential peace deal in March 2022. According to a recent New York Times report, a tentative agreement negotiated in Istanbul was nearly reached. The proposed deal would have required Ukraine to adopt permanent neutrality in exchange for security guarantees from major powers, including the US, UK, France, Russia, and China. However, US and Polish leaders reportedly opposed the deal, viewing it as a form of unilateral disarmament for Ukraine. President Putin reiterated his conditions for a ceasefire and peace talks last Friday, demanding Ukraine cede all territories that have voted to join Russia. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky immediately rejected this proposal, branding it an ultimatum. As the conflict grinds on, the call for a diplomatic resolution that respects Ukraine's sovereignty and integrity remains paramount. Macron's statements highlight the critical balance of seeking peace while ensuring justice and stability in the region. The international community watches closely, aware that the outcomes of these discussions could reshape the geopolitical landscape for years to come.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.